Hey everyone, today we're diving into the incredible Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless headphones. And trust me, your world is about to get a whole lot quieter. These aren't just good at noise canceling. They offer industry-leading silence, literally making distractions vanish around you. Perfect for focus or pure audio bliss. Imagine silencing a buzzing office, a noisy commute, or even the chatter on a plane with just a touch. It's truly transformative for your listening experience. And forget constantly charging. With an astounding 30-hour battery life, these headphones will power through your longest days and commutes without a second thought. Then there's the magic of multipoint connection. Seamlessly switch between your phone and laptop without ever reconnecting, making productivity effortless. This seamless integration and unparalleled sound quality truly make the Sony WH-1000XM5 the ultimate choice for anyone serious about their audio. Sony has truly outdone themselves, crafting a premium listening device that isn't just about specs, but about delivering an undisturbed, high-fidelity experience. If you're looking to upgrade your audio setup or find the best noise-canceling headphones available, check out the Amazon link below to grab your pair. Investing in the XM5s means investing in your peace of mind and an incredible soundstage, making every song and call clearer and more immersive. So if you want to experience audio nirvana and discover why these are considered top electronics for 2025, the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are an absolute must-buy.